I can put 300 pounds of weight in my drawer, it's not gonna break. Are you really ever gonna put 300 pounds in a drawer box? No. This is for the bathroom vanities. We have 3 of them. 2 in the 2 small bathrooms. We call them the kids' bathrooms. And 1 of them in the master bathroom. Our drawer boxes, I can put 300 pounds in it and it's not gonna budge. It is the most cost-efficient way of doing a high-end drawer box, because you could have a super sturdy box made out of plywood that you need to finish. You need to stain it and clear coat it. That's gonna cost more. Wear and tear on it, it's gonna wear much faster than the pre-finished laminated pressed wood that we're using. Then a solid wood drawer, you can do a dovetail and it's gonna be insanely strong. Like you can build a house with that type of joinery. But do you need that in a drawer? Not really. Trying a new type of screw that I found. I'm not using my regular 1 3/4. And these are whistling. Like, I've never heard a screw make this kind of noise. The screw is still the screw. It still does its job. I'm gonna have to use, I don't know, maybe 500 screws. I don't want to hear that 500 times. Know that the stain is not coming, but we're going to Montreal. Maybe we can bring the stain with us. I don't know if I told you, but you're going to Montreal. Sir, come in this semi-truck. Let's go to Montreal. We were doing boxes that were just nailed with the nail gun, like 18 gauge nails, and a screw, a 1 3/4 inch screw every 8-10 inches. That's it. But now we don't have the nails, but we have a tenon actually. So it's part of the material. It's like night and day, the strength of the box. You're gonna see them tomorrow. There's a lot of drawers in them, like a lot. This one is, I don't know, about, what is it, 10 feet long. Do you actually need it? Drawers. No, because it works with nails and screws, but is it much better? Everything stays perfectly square, true, and it's super resistant. The way we do our boxes, we can put a double oven in a box that's attached to the key on the wall, and it holds it. It's called lock Dado. In the software, in e-cabinets, the way they go together, the pieces, like there's a tenon and a mortise basically. So you have the material has been relieved from there or removed. Same here, but this creates a tenon joint basically, and it's reinforced. There's a dado, but because we're putting a screw as well in the hole here, in the software it's called the lock dado. It's being locked by the screw. Our drawer box is the strongest it needs to be, cleanest to look, matching the interior of the cabinets, and the most cost-efficient way of doing high-end drawers. Dado. That's because the blade, you have even blades for table saw, and they're called dado blades, meaning there's multiple blades put together, one next to the other, and you can cut a very wide groove. And you can make that groove up to 1 inch if you want, or 1.5 inches. Using multiple blades attached one next to the other, you're doing it a dado joinery.